Hello, children. Now we are dealing with phonetic transcription. Phonetic transcription may be defined as an unambiguous. First of all, read the spelling unambiguous. Ambiguous means no clarity. Ambiguous. There is no clarity, is called, it's very ambiguous. Here they are telling it as unambiguous. It is very clear. Phonetic transcription may be defined as an unambiguous system of representing pronunciation by means of writing. I think you could understand. Phonetic transcription అంటే ఏంటంటే ఏం చెప్పాలంటే మనం ఎలా పలుకుతామో దాన్ని క్లియర్గా రాయటమే దాని ఉద్దేశం. ఫోనెటిక్ ట్రాన్స్క్రిప్షన్ ఉద్దేశం ఏంటంటే మనం ఎలా పలుకుతామన్నది రాసి చూపెడతాం. అది అన్అంబిగ్యూస్, వెరీ క్లియర్గా. ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ మనం బికాస్ అని పలుకుతున్నాం, BECAUSE. అయితే ఇది ఇలాగే పలకాలన్నది ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది? బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ద సౌండ్స్ వాట్ వీఆర్ గివింగ్ టు దట్. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ అన్అంబిగ్యూస్. మనకి క్లారిటీగా ఉండడం కోసంగా, అన్అంబిగ్యూస్గా ఉండటం కోసంగా ఏం చేస్తున్నామంటే దాన్ని మనం రాసి చూపిస్తున్నాం బై మీన్స్ ఆఫ్ రైటింగ్. The basic principle being to assign one and only one letter to each phoneme of the language. అసలు దాని మెయిన్ ఉద్దేశం ఏంటంటే, బేసిక్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ అంటే మెయిన్ ముఖ్య ఉద్దేశం ఏంటంటే బీయింగ్ టు అసైన్ వన్ అండ్ ఓన్లీ వన్ లెటర్. సపోజ్ P, the letter P, it should be pronounced as only P. F only. Basic to each phoneme of the language. Leave all that. The. So one time it is pronounced as the, and another time it is pronounced as the. THE. So leave that. It is not being an article. Now it is only a sound to each phoneme of the language. ఒక్క అక్షరానికి ఒకే శబ్దాన్ని ఎలాంటి శబ్దం మనం ఇస్తున్నాము అని రాసి చూపించడమే ఫోనెటిక్ ట్రాన్స్క్రిప్షన్. ఇట్ మే బి డిఫైన్డ్ యాజ్ ఎ రిటన్ ఆఫ్ ప్రింటెడ్ రిప్రజెంటేషన్. ఒక విధంగా ఏం చెప్పొచ్చు అంటే డిఫైన్డ్ యాజ్ ఎ రిటన్ ఆఫ్ ప్రింటెడ్ రిప్రజెంటేషన్. ప్రింటెడ్ ఫామ్లో ఉన్నదాన్ని రాసి చూపిస్తున్నాం ఆఫ్ స్పీచ్ యూజింగ్ ఫోనెటిక్ ఆల్ఫబెట్. ఫోనెటిక్ ఆల్ఫబెట్ని తీసుకొని మనకి ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి ఆల్ఫబెట్స్? 26. కానీ ఫోనెటిక్ ఆల్ఫబెట్స్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? 26 ఆల్ఫబెట్స్. లీవ్ ఆల్ దోస్. మనకి సౌండ్స్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? 44 సౌండ్స్. ఈ 44 సౌండ్స్ని ఒక్కొక్క దానికి ఒక్కొక్కటి ఎలా ఇస్తాము అన్నదాన్ని, ఈచ్ హౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ రిప్రజెంటింగ్ అన్నదాన్ని ఫోనెటిక్ ఆల్ఫబెట్ రూపంలో చూపిస్తున్నాం. దట్ ఈస్ ద మెయిన్ ఇంటెన్షన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఫోనెటిక్ ట్రాన్స్క్రిప్షన్. Suppose these are the alphabets. See how we pronounce. A. The written transcription is written down. See, the pronunciation of that A is written down. A. See, here it is E and I. A. Next, B. How we are pronouncing B and I? C. C and I. D. D plus I. E, only I. F. How we are pronouncing F? Combining with E. G. How we are pronouncing G? G plus I. H. See how H has been written. I, C, H. H. D, I. A plus I. I. J. Half A, I and J. J. We pronounce it as J. K. K, E, Y. 3 letters combining, we are pronouncing it as K. 3 letters combined. See, down it was been written K, E, Y. It is called K. L. Half A and L, that is called L. M. E and M. The original transcription of M is, the pronunciation alphabet is M, E and M. N, E and N. O, O plus U. P, P plus I. Q, Q plus I plus U. R, A plus R. See, it was small a and R, R. S, E and S. T, T plus I. U, I plus U. V, V plus I. W. How the W is pronounced? D-O-B-L-I-U. D-O-B-L-I-U. The original pronunciation is W. X, E and X. Y, Y, U, A, I. Z, D, Z, D, Z, I. The Z, Z. So now you could pronounce all these again. Please go through that. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these are the original pronunciation of the 26 alphabets. Now we go to the sounds. See how it has been divided. I think you would understand. These are totally this yellow and brown representing vowels, vowel sounds. See here the color is given yellow, vowels, and brown. Not this brown. This brown is diphthongs. What is meant by a diphthong? Two vowels come side by side. So these are vowels, 12 sounds, and these are diphthongs. Two vowels, they come side by side. Again, we go through this chart. I will give you each and every one this chart. These are consonants. See, in consonants also we got voiced and unvoiced. Voiced, all the consonants are voiced consonants. Unvoiced consonants here. So this is unvoiced consonant. This is voiced consonant. Voiced, voiced. So all these green shade is of voiced consonant, and this is unvoiced. Short sounds. See, these are short sounds. You could see the difference. Short sounds. A. You only should pronounce A. If it is long, A. Ka. 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 I think you could understand. I will give you again, not now. Just you observe this. I'll give you, for you preserve this chart. Now you see. Face, how it was written. Fire, flower, future, friend, general, gun, hammer, holiday, hour, heart, page, perfect, popular, question, ready, receive, ring, save, science, subject. Sure, Sunday, take, tree, try, tomorrow, understand, voice, weather, wait, without, yes, your, right. Read it again. So how it was being written, you just observe all the things. Go one by one. Face, fire, flower, future, friend, general, gun, hammer, holiday, hour, heart, pace, perfect, popular, question, ready, receive, ring, safe, science, subject, sure, Sunday, take, tree, tie, tomorrow, understand, voice, weather, wait, without, yes, you are right. See the chart you have already seen. Vowels are two types. They are monophthongs and diphthongs. Monophthongs and diphthongs. What are monophthongs? What are diphthongs? Here the diphthongs, please follow carefully. I'll give you the monophthongs also. Two vowels come side by side. I already told you. Two vowels, they come side by side. Sheep. See, double E. Ship. S-H-I-P. In H there is I. In P there is I. Ship. A plus I. Good. O, two vowels. Shoot. O. Bed. B. B-E and E. Two. Teacher. E-A-E-R. Two vowels. They come side by side. Bird. I-R. R it is not consonant. It is A. I-R. O. Do. Cat. A plus R. Tilo A. Up. Far. A and R. On. 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 Long. See. These are also vowels. Bed. Flat. A and E. Flat. A-E. Flat. Last. Long. Warm. Bird. Long. Long I. Ship. S-H-I-P. Ship. Long I. Short I. Feet. Long I. Potato. O. Only half spell. Potato. Pour. Long one. Long R. Rough. Rough. Short. Make it short. Rough. Took. T-O. Okay. Took. Food. Long U. Long U. This is your homework. Write down, all of you. Note down. First, second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, you have to note down and you have to give the assignment. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you all. So we will meet in the next class. So learn today itself. Learn today, but learn well. Do not try to escape. If you learn, you will have something or the other in your brain. Don't forget to learn. Try to learn, but don't try to escape.